Hey guys, what's happening? How to transfer crypto from Kraken to a Phantom wallet. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna just hit portfolio at the bottom left. Okay, and select your crypto. Let's say Bitcoin. Right. Scroll a little bit down. Hit withdraw. Select your network. I highly emphasize that you should, I highly emphasize you use the same network as Phantom wallet, right? So if you're using Bitcoin, you're gonna stick with Bitcoin, all right? So now what we're gonna do, we're gonna just go back to our screen, go to Phantom, confirm via facial recognition. Few moments, all right? And just, hit receive, all right? And instead of Solana, I'm gonna choose Bitcoin. If Kraken doesn't support that network, just move to another network or just choose something different, okay? So this is your native SegWit address. Use this address to receive tokens on the Bitcoin network only. So after you read this, which is very important, that they allow Bitcoin networks only. So copy the address, go to Kraken, go back to Kraken, add the nickname, let's say AAA. And then what you're gonna do, hit add withdrawal address, enter the amount obviously, and transfer however you want, basically, however amount you want. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.